Okay, it's Kyle, Stevens Truck Power. Today we're doing a crankcase filter on this 2009 Dodge. Came in for a service and a check engine light. So the service is done. Check engine light was a crankcase filter being, I guess, clogged up or full maybe. So we're gonna go ahead and get that changed out. Show them the truck. 2009 Mega Cab. So basically it's just under this top part of this piece that's on top of the valve cover. So we'll get it pulled apart. Most of this is going to be an 8mm, a couple of hoses and stuff to pull off. So follow along. Okay, so we got the old one off. This is the new one. Just got from the parts store. It's got some O-rings right here that you can see. There and there. And I'll just use this motor assembly white grease. Works really good on things like O-rings and stuff to not roll them as you're putting it in there. So we'll put it on there and then put it back in. Go together. Okay, that's basically it. We just changed it out, got the new one in, everything's back together, and we'll get it back on the road. Thanks for watching.